is a cold night. A little girl is crying outside a big house.
Get out! You cannot sleep inside tonight! Go clean the garden!
But Mom, it is dark and cold. I am scared.
Don't call me Mom! Go now!
Inside the house, the rooms are warm. Sarah's own daughter, Mia, is eating delicious chocolate cake. Lily is outside, wearing an old, thin dress. Her hands are shaking.
Where is Lily, Sarah? Is she not eating dinner with us?
Oh, Mark! Lily said she is not hungry. She wanted to play outside in the fresh air.
The next day, a beautiful vase breaks in the living room. Mia broke it while playing, but Sarah looks at Lily.
Mark! Look what Lily did! She broke your favorite vase because she...
No, Dad! I did not do it! I was in my room!
Lily, I am so tired of your lies. Pack your bag.
You are going to stay at your aunt's house in the...
But father does not know. There is no aunt. Sarah takes Lily to the crowded city bus station and leaves her there, all alone. Do you feel sad for Lily? Please click the like button to show her some love. The sun goes down. Lily sits on a cold bench. Her stomach is making noises. She is very hungry. Where do I go? I don't have food. I don't have money. A big stray dog starts barking at her. Lily sits under a street lamp, crying loudly. Suddenly, an old woman with a kind face stops. Her name is Rose. Hello, little one. Why are you crying all alone in the dark? My stepmother left me here. I have no home. Oh, dear child, don't worry. Come with me. I have a warm bed and hot soup for you. 10 years pass. Lily is now a young woman. Rose helped her go to school, and now Lily owns a beautiful, successful flower shop in the city. One day, a poor, messy woman walks into the shop, asking for free food. It is Sarah, the stepmother. Her clothes are old, and she looks very sad.
Please, miss, can you give me some money? My family lost everything, and my husband left me.
Look at my face, Sarah. Do you remember me?
Lily! You are alive? And so rich!
Yes. You threw me away like trash. But God helped me. Karma always... Lily does not take revenge. She gives Sarah a small box of food. I am not cruel like you. Take this food, but please, never come back to my shop. Sarah walks away, crying with shame. Lily turns around and hugs her kind foster mother, Rose. She is finally safe, happy, and loved. Thank you, Rose. Because of your love. What a beautiful ending. What do you think about Lily's kindness? Tell us in the comments below.